Okay, so clients get started. Okay, step 4. Client has moved. Yeah. 3. Yeah. Tricky enough. Should I want to add? Okay, so really. Okay, so these are the questions. We'll submit that. Then goes to the next section. So we're on section 2 now. 8 questions. Income account, which I do to get income on that one. 2 problems of course, oh yeah. Accounts receivable will be out of. Okay, delay charge is a new thing for me. I haven't really had a need to use it yet, but I know what it does. That'll be number 3 here. Yeah, it's definitely number 1. Okay, recurring transaction is like a direct debit that goes through every month. So you put it through the first time, and then you set it to go through automatically every month, and then when the bank account comes in, it'll match up. True entry. That's not true. Where's that one? Yeah. Okay, so for the transfer, you always go to the new and then transfer link. It's in there, okay? It's not in the gear icon, the sales or banking, definitely not. Okay, no, no, yes, yes. Yeah, so statements is a big thing. Certainly use them. Check out these 3 options because one of them will be more suitable than the other. Stop it in. The following process for matching and adding deposit transactions. Yes, when you have transactions already in QuickBooks and then the bank feed comes in the day after, it sees the direct debit or lodgement that is the exact sale of the bank feed will match up. You click match to say, yeah, that's the payment of that. Why would a transaction be excluded from the bank? Yeah, if it's already come down and you've reconciled it, do that one. The second reason, not sure about that one, but that's probably the answer. Okay, so 3 is after you're right. Well, certainly you can undo a reconciliation. I did it quite recently for a client. That is true. That is true. And that is true. 5. Okay, so which of these statements are true? Are they both true? None of them true. Certainly, with recurring transactions, you can't have a recurring. See, we see recurring journals too much. 100% sure, but you can have recurring. Well, that's the items. Just show the journals. And the next one. Okay, I think the suggested steps is wrong. You need to be on the actual expense and fill in the details. And that doesn't seem to do that. So I'm going to go with the statement. Okay. The answers I did. Some of those 4 there anyway. Let's do that one. There's 3, I believe. Sorry, the certainly location path is in the top one. There's QuickBooks Online Plus. I'm not sure about Essentials. I don't think it does it there. So put those 2 in the middle. Oh, sorry, Quick Start definitely not. I'm not quite sure what Essentials are. Okay, you see customer is always going to be accounts receivable. There's 3 there, not to do with tax anyway. It's that one. Yeah. Which port would you want to see a list of each customer? So again, it's going to be receivable. AP is accounts payable. Okay, that's those ones. We're on the next section now, which is this one, section 5. Work functionality is the tab on the left. That's this one here. It does flag what's overdue. I think that's the client assign. So the first 3 that I'll go with there. Certainly, clients don't have access to your dashboard. They don't. Knowledge assigned tasks you easily anyway. Okay, so creating a project. We do a bit of this. Go with this one. Let's add a task. Then type in the task name. That's that one. And creation. Okay. These 2. Check out which of these. Oh yeah. Okay, those 2. This is one I'm not too gone yet. I'll check it out though. Create a client request and notify them. Yeah, I do deal with projects all the time. Okay, so this one, if you go into your accounting conversion, set up a project to do with the client, it's fine. It lists down all the items there. But the one when it's all done, just click on this drop down. Okay. Is there anything else that we've gone at? It might be a bit easier. So it's definitely those two. An easy enough one. Leave this in there. Ooh, not here. Okay, so client A has people who've done bust. Client B, there's little pence out. So if the bill was 2,042, 2,000 euro and 42 cents, they pay the 2,000 euro and the 42 cents is still coming up on the accounts receivable listing. So the write-off invoices tool is for the dead guys, not for the little bits. Okay, so both situations no. Looking like this one. I'm not sure what QuickBooks Online Plus. So it's either, yeah, I reckon it's this one. Okay. Yes, the closing date, you need the password. So there is always a way of tracking changes. Closing date exception log. Yeah. Acceptance closing date report. Tricky on this one. Yeah, I reckon it's on that one there. Okay. Last one, 2 questions. Managing inventory and avoiding out of stock situations. Retail and e-commerce. Okay, yeah, the practice gets to the wholesale, yeah. That's not true. No, that's not true. That is true. Okay, we're done. Let's see, do we pass? Big moment. Ready for your grade. It's all cool. All right, thank God.